Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to continue with one more problem which is based on the second property of definite integration. Let us start with problem number 4. Integral 0 to 5 under root 9 minus x upon under root 9 minus x plus under root x plus 4 dx. Let us consider the given integral I and take it as equation number 1. Now, if we use the property number 2, which says integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx, this will give you as, since the upper limit is 5, we are going to replace x by 5 minus x. In the next step we have under root of 9 minus 5, that is 4, minus of minus will give you plus x. Similarly we have 4 plus x here also, plus we have 5 plus 4, that is 9, minus x. Now let us consider this as equation number 2, and we can add equation number 1 and 2. Adding equation number 1 and 2, I plus I will be integral 0 to 5 under root 9 minus x upon under root 9 minus x plus under root x plus 4 dx plus integral 0 to 5 integral 4 plus x upon under root 4 plus x plus under root 9 minus x. As you can see, the denominator is same, under root of 9 minus x, and here we have x plus 4 and 4 plus x, both are same only. Therefore, on adding these two integrals, we have 2i is equal to integral 0 to 5 under root 9 minus x plus under root x plus 4 upon under root 9 minus x plus under root x plus 4. Both being same, numerator and denominator will be cancelled. This will give you 2i is equal to integral 0 to 5 dx. This will give you 2i as x within limits 0 to 5. So we have x as upper limit minus lower limit, that is 5 minus 0. 2i will be 5, and therefore I will be 5 upon 2. This is our final answer. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.